No way. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my.
Turning right from the far left lane is highly dangerous and illegal. Always position your vehicle correctly well before the turn to ensure safety and control. Keep a safe following distance, especially on highways, for reaction time. Sudden stops demand space to avoid severe rear-end crashes like this one. Truck tire blowouts create dangerous debris hazards across lanes. Regular vehicle maintenance and staying alert are crucial for everyone's safety on the road. Entering roundabouts requires yielding to circulating traffic. Failing to yield, often due to misjudging speed, leads directly to collisions like this. Always check blind spots carefully before changing lanes, especially on ramps. Failing to look properly can cause immediate and dangerous side impact crashes. Unsecured loads are a major hazard for following vehicles. Always ensure cargo is properly secured before driving to prevent unexpected accidents from falling debris. Tragic highway collisions involving large trucks show devastating outcomes. Speed, reaction time, and cargo type, like hazardous materials, are critical safety factors. Heavy snow severely reduces traction and visibility. Adjust your speed significantly and ensure your vehicle is equipped to avoid losing control and getting stuck. Improperly secured high loads can shift during turns, raising the center of gravity. This significantly increases the risk of rollover accidents, especially in roundabouts. Erratic driving and excessive speed, especially on curves or exits, greatly increase the risk of losing control. This often leads to dangerous rollovers or collisions. Large trucks have large blind spots, known as no zones. Avoid lingering beside them and ensure the driver sees you before merging or changing lanes nearby. Exercise extra caution in construction zones with heavy machinery. Slow down significantly and be prepared for unexpected movements or obstacles near the roadway. This sudden explosion near a parked car shows unexpected events can happen. Always remain aware of your surroundings, even when stationary, for potential hazards. Aggressive driving or even slight contact at highway speeds can cause loss of control. This can quickly lead to spins and crashes. Drive calmly, avoid road rage.
If an active shooter situation erupted right here, right now, 99% of the civilians.
Failing to maintain your lane, often from distraction or fatigue, leads to side swipes. This is especially dangerous near large trucks. Always stay alert. Running red lights or misjudging signals causes severe T-bone crashes, especially when wet. Always approach intersections ready to stop safely and check traffic. Unexpected objects can fall, but more often, road debris gets kicked up. Maintain constant focus on the road ahead to react quickly to any sudden hazard. Following too closely in stop-and-go traffic is a primary cause of rear-end collisions. Always leave enough space to react to sudden stops ahead. High-speed overtaking on narrow or winding roads is very risky, especially with poor traction. This can easily lead to losing control. Always drive to conditions Cyclists are vulnerable, especially at intersections. Drivers must be extra vigilant and check carefully before proceeding, even with a green light, for safety. Vehicle fires escalate rapidly. If you see smoke or flames, pull over safely, far from traffic, and exit immediately. Address mechanical issues promptly. Driving on the shoulder is illegal and unsafe, meant only for emergencies. It endangers stopped vehicles and risks damage from debris or uneven surfaces. Misjudging traffic signals or trying to beat red lights is dangerous. Failing to clear the intersection, even on green, creates hazards for cross traffic. Motorcycles are harder to see than cars. When turning, always double check for bikes. Failing to see them often leads to serious intersection collisions.
Are you okay?
Sudden traction loss or rider error can cause motorcycle falls even at low speeds. Focus, proper technique, and suitable speed are vital for rider safety. Hydroplaning happens when tires lose grip on wet roads, usually from speeding. Slow down significantly in heavy rain to maintain control and prevent dangerous spins. Large trucks need much wider turns. Avoid driving alongside a turning truck, especially at intersections, to prevent being squeezed or struck during their maneuver.
What happened there? Okay, Jess, Chris, listen, mate, I was just wondering.
A detached trailer signals a hitch or safety chain failure. Proper connection and regular equipment inspection are crucial to prevent catastrophic loss of control. High speeds on ramps or curves, especially for trucks, risk rollovers. Load shifts or exceeding safe speed limits for the turn are common causes. Another loose wheel from a truck highlights extreme danger. This stresses the vital importance of thorough pre-trip inspections and consistent vehicle maintenance. Running red lights inevitably leads to dangerous, high-impact T-bone collisions. Always obey signals and ensure intersections are clear before proceeding. Losing control on elevated ramps is extremely dangerous due to falling risks. Excessive speed, especially combined with adverse weather, are critical factors. Sudden highway braking frequently triggers chain reaction crashes. Always anticipate slowing traffic and keep a safe following distance for controlled stops. Lane changes demand thorough mirror and blind spot checks. Failing to see adjacent vehicles, like this silver SUV, easily results in sideswipe collisions. Trailer sway results from bad weight distribution, speed, or wind. If it starts, ease off the accelerator smoothly, don't brake hard to regain control safely,